How to fix Task Manager not opening on Windows. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix if your Task Manager is not opening on Windows. Step 1 is to open up Run. You can do that by pressing Windows plus R, and there you want to write regedit and press enter. Now the registry editor is going to open up. You want to click on the option of Software, then from there select the option of Microsoft. Now scroll all the way down and find the option of Windows NT. Here click on Current Version, then click on Image File Execution Options. There you want to find the option of taskmgr.exe. There, if you find the hotkey disabled option, then what you want to do is right click on this and click on the delete option. Once it has been deleted, your Task Manager will now open up. If this method does not work, then there is another method that you can use. For this, again, you want to open Run. Now, you want to search for gpedit.msc. Then over here under User Configuration, you want to select Administrative Templates. There, select System. Then from here, you want to click on the option of Ctrl-Alt+Delete options. Find Remove Task Manager and double click on it. Now, over here, if it says Enabled, you want to select the option of Not Configured. Once you select this, click on the Apply option, then click on OK. Once that is done, you will find that your Task Manager can now open, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.